Danube Properties is launching its first master community in Dubai, introducing Greenz by Danube, prime location and high appreciation. Location, location, location. That's one of the most important things in any project, and that's what truly sets Greenz apart. It is located right next to Academic City, just behind Dubai Silicon Oasis, one of the most prime areas for villas and townhouses today. Why? Because Dubai Silicon Oasis already has more than 100,000 residents. And now, with this 12.8 billion dirham District 10 expansion launched by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, this entire area is being developed into a hub for AI, robotics and advanced technology, bringing in thousands of companies and over 70,000 jobs. At the same time, everything you need is all within reach. 35 plus clinics, 4 hospitals, 18 plus mosques, 120 plus restaurants and 6 shopping malls all in your vicinity. Plus, Academic City is right next door with 27 top-notch universities and 15 plus schools, ensuring consistent demand from students, families and faculty. Connectivity is also excellent. Emirates Road, 1 minute away. Al Ain Road, 2 minutes. Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, 5 minutes. Downtown Burj Khalifa, only 18 minutes away. Airport, only 17 minutes away, making this one of the primest villa and townhouse community in Dubai. Another key factor, well, the Blue Line Metro is just located 5 minutes away from Greenz. Metro expansion always increases value before even train starts running. That's why this area is going to become one of the strongest Dubai growth corridors under the 2040 Urban Master Plan. Now, this master community is extremely special as nature meets the city. When we were designing this villa and townhouse, the direction was extremely clear. This had to be a one-of-a-kind design that not only showed a very premium facade, but also something that was extremely modern. Step inside and the sense of openness continues. Every single villa and townhouse comes fully furnished with Italian Dolce Vita furniture, along with Italian branded kitchens and fittings. All our 4 and 5 bedrooms not only come with private elevators, but every single bedroom comes with an ensuite bathroom and built-in wardrobes, making the stay of families comfortable and luxe. The master plan features 50 plus amenities designed across 5 zones, each designed for a different purpose of everyday living. All connected through a 3.75 kilometer jogging track that runs across the community. The pulse of the master community is this beautiful green sanctuary which has lush landscapes and gardens where your family can unwind and relax. Then we have the beach hub, which features a stunning clubhouse with a rooftop deck overlooking a beach-style lagoon along with a kids splash park, bringing a true resort-style experience in your everyday living. Next, we have the family hub with something for everyone, including a kids play area, landscape park, outdoor seating and beautiful cabanas, perfect for families to relax and unwind. The third wing is the sports hub with 10 dedicated courts, including football, badminton, table tennis, basketball, paddle tennis, cricket. You name it, we have it. Fourth wing is the wellness hub, focus on fitness and well-being, with one of the largest gyms and recovery zones that a community can offer at over 20,000 square feet, combining indoor and outdoor training spaces, spa rooms, sauna, salt therapy and cryotherapy. And all 5 wings are connected by a striking central fountain, creating beautiful views throughout the day across the amenities and across the community. And within the community, you also have 20,000 square feet of retail spaces and a beautiful mosque, making everyday living even more convenient. So from design to architecture, the fully furnished homes, prime location and lifestyle amenities, this is a complete offering. And you know what the best part is? Prices of townhouses are starting only at 3.5 million dirhams with a 1% monthly payment plan. This is the perfect project built for long-term appreciation in a location that's shaping the future. Greenz by Danube, prime location, high appreciation, where nature meets the city.